In this video, I'm going to show you how to share YouTube video on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up YouTube app and right from here, from your home feed, you can hit at that three dots icon next to video name and select share options. Also, you can do it from a video page, so you can open up video and right here you can tap add share button to bring up the same exact feature, and from here you can drag these tools to the left until you find Snapchat. You can hit right there at Snapchat and it opens up Snapchat app, and there you can see that kind of YouTube widget here, and now you can continue editing that snap as you normally would, and after you finished with that you can hit at that send to button to send it to somebody. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.